I have a multicolor printer, but it only has 4 slots. So how on earth am I supposed to print this? Well, that's why today we need to talk about setting pauses. If you download my file, you'll find it is split into 4 plates, and the pause is pre-programmed specifically into plate 1. Pauses apply to the plate and not to the object. See that little pause tag right there? That means the printer already knows exactly where to stop, no extra setup needed. For this model, when you hit print, you will need to assign the colors in a specific way to trick your machine. You will load your white filament as normal, then map your first 3 colors, purple, blue, and green, to their correct slots. For the remaining 3 colors, yellow, orange, and red, you will pair them up following the same order. Yellow goes where purple is, orange where blue is, and red where green is. Once mapped, hit print, and we just wait for the printer to stop on its own. When the printer pauses automatically, all you have to do is take out the 3 colors we just finished using. In those exact same slots, place the new ones following our logical order mapped before. Now hit resume, let the printer finish the second half, and enjoy your flawless 7-color rainbow cake. This is a tiny rainbow popsicle I'm working on. This one uses 6 colors and I'm testing it on one of my Bambu printers. The process is the same here. Map the first 4 colors and assign the remaining ones. Hit print, and when it hits the pause, the Bambu will make a notification sound to let you know. I hate that sound, by the way. I know you all should know why. Just pull out the old spools and load the new ones to the slots you have previously assigned. Hit resume and done. What if you want to do this on a model that doesn't have a preset pause? Well, once your model is sliced, go to that green bar on the right, move the little slider to the exact layer where you want the printer to stop, right-click on that point, select Add Pause, and then re-slice the model so the new code is generated. You can add as many as your project needs. Remember, the printable files are ready for patterns in the pinned post. I really hope this helps you guys somehow. Let me know if this kind of content is something you would like to see from time to time here. Thanks for watching and happy printing!